Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, let me introduce you a brand new and very genius design. It is called Ulanzi CLAW. This is actually a quick mount system, just like the PIC design, a V3 or V2. It consists of different configurations. Now I have purchased dozens set of the Ulanzi CLAW. And in this video, I'm gonna dive deep into this Ulanzi CLAW system and share with you many greatest features of this CLAW system. Here you can see that I have different set. This is a base and a mount. It's a pair. It has a base and a mount in this package, and this is in this package, this mounting system used to fit in your bag. These are the separated accessories. There's a Quickness mount, this Quickness base, and this is a GoPro mount. Okay, so altogether we have different configurations. The whole system is very interesting. Now let me show you the greatest feature about this Ulanzi CLAW system. So let's take a look at the system I have in my hand. I have altogether 3 sets. This is for the back, this is for the GoPro. You can use this for your stabilizer, you can gimbal, or you can use this or your tripod or monopod, whatever you want. The most wonderful design of this CLAW system is the mechanism. The mechanical design is just genius. This looks like a square, but has it looks like square, so you can put in any of the directions. And once you have got it, just press and it will fit inside really tight. It will not move anymore. It's very solid. So you can lock it in by even turn this red button to the left, so you can lock this mount in your base forever. It just cannot take it out anymore. It's just solid, stable. And once you want to take it out, you can unlock this button and double press on the left and right at the same time, and now you can get out of the claw. Okay, take it in, get out, put it in, get out. A quick release mounting system. This is the mounting base, and this is the mounting pallet. It was designed with Ulanzi, and on the right, this is the name of the co-designer. It also has a YouTube channel. I will recommend his channel to you guys. His name is Isaac Weapon. This is a very genius guy. Has co-designed with Ulanzi, and I love this design very much. Let's take a look at how it works. On the bottom of the base, we have a cold mount. It is very light. It only weighs 45 grams, and for the pallet, it only weighs 16 grams. Inside that, we can see there are 2 sets of springs, and you can squeeze, and there are 2 buttons. You can squeeze inside that, and after you press the 2 buttons at the same time, this quick release pallet will just fit inside the base, and you can put it inside. When you lose your button, the spring will go back to its position and lock in the mechanic really tight. But more importantly, inside that we also have 2 screws that are made of steel that could fit very tight with the pallet. And on the pallet we do have 4 different holes on the base. Every time you fit inside this quick release pallet, it's gonna be really tight. And this is just how it works. This is really genius, and it is really powerful and reliable. Put it in and just lock it down. And for the red one, you can turn to the left to lock it forever. You just cannot put it down, and it will be very reliable. And you can also adapt the system to your bag by purchase this system. Yes, it looks like the PIC design V3. It's a little bit bigger compared with the PIC design strap V3, and it works almost the same, but the locking mechanism is totally different, and it is just a genius. You can put it on your bag and lock it in by tightening the screw on the top and bottom. Inside that, we have the same base for like this one, and we can fit inside this quick release pallet like this. And unfortunately, this one is not compatible with arc switch standard, so you have to buy multiple pallets if you have multiple cameras, or you have to unscrew back and forth. Inside this bag mounting claw system, we also have a hidden coin like this. It's made of steel. It could fit in the magnetic hole of that. We don't have to worry about losing it anymore. On the front, we have Ulanzi the front Ulanzi. On the back is rig, but that is designed by Ulanzi. The base is exactly the same as this one, and for every one of the pallet, you can just fit inside this one and press, it will lock it in. Put it to the left, lock it on forever. That is how it works. Unlock and take it out. Yeah, this is just interesting. More than that, we also have a GoPro mount adapter. So this GoPro mount adapter, we can see that it has a built-in ball head inside the pallet, so we can adjust the angles every time we put it on the strap. For the action camera, sometimes when you put it on the back, probably the GoPro or the Insta360 will not facing the right angle for us, and now with a built-in ball head, we can fine-tune the angle until it just fit our field of view. And on the back of the pallet, we do have 3 screws. We can tighten up to make it heavier to move, so that to make it more reliable. This is a really genius design. And for the top, this is a standard GoPro mount. This socket was made of plastic, and this screw is solid build. It has a whole metal body from the top to the bottom. It feels really nice in your hand, and it fits in all kinds of GoPro mount, GoPro foldable mount, and Ulanzi patent anti-twist GoPro mount. Everything is compatible with this pallet. So altogether, I have purchased 3 sets of the Ulanzi quick mounting claw system, and I liked it very much. In this video, I would like to share with you some of the experience and thought about this whole system. Really a genius design by Ulanzi and the co-designer Isaac Weapon. I liked it very much. I can't wait to share the happiness with you in this video. Okay guys, until next time, bye.